Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover autonomous transaction. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover autonomous transaction introduction. We can make the anonymous block as autonomous, using pragma autonomous transaction statement in declaration section. We can create save point, using save point name. Rollback to save point, using rollback to save point name. Rollback, using rollback command. Commit transaction, using commit command. In the next program, I am going to cover autonomous procedure. We can make the procedure as autonomous, using pragma autonomous transaction statement in declaration section. We need to end autonomous methods with commit or rollback statement. Else results in error, because at any time only one transaction can be active. In the next program, I am going to cover autonomous function. We can make the function as autonomous, using pragma autonomous transaction statement in declaration section. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.